Hey bestie, guess what?
What happened?
I got Robux.
That is amazing.
Here you can have half of my Robux.
Gives 10,000 Robux.
Wow, Ty.
I'm gonna change.
Me too. See ya later.
They get changed.
You look amazing.
Ty, you look so cute. Want to find a GC?
Sure, I'll join you and adopt me.
They join Adopt Me.
ABC to join my GC.
ABC.
Okay, I'll add you guys.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Jakey Bear 21 added Emma Lover 44 and Luna Girly 5674 to the GC.
And then I said,
Hey guys,
Hey Jake.
these are my new friends.
Hey.
Hello.
So,
Hello.
how about we do a age, name, and facial
Good
reveal?
idea.
Good
Okay.
idea.
I'll go first. My name is Emily. I'm 15 and this is me.
Wow.
Beautiful.
My turn. My name is Luna. I'm 10 and this is me.
Love you,
Adorable.
bestie. I'll go next. My name is Emma. I'm 16 and this is me.
Pretty.
Awesome,
Beautiful.
bestie.
My turn. My name is Liamine14, and this is me.
Sweet.
Handsome.
My turn, IG. My name is Jake. I'm 16, and this is me.
Hey,
Awesome.
dude.
Me and Luna gotta go to bed. See y'all tomorrow. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
See ya.
Part 3.
G and Emma, I'm going to bed.
Wait,
Luna Girly 5674 has left the GC.
dang it. Now how am I supposed to tell her?
The next day,
Luna, I have to tell you something.
What is it, bestie?
I think I like Jake.
Oh wow, you should tell him.
Fine, let's go to the GC.
they join the GC.
I said no way he.
Hey everyone.
Oh my God, you interrupted. Me, you rat.
Sorry.
Don't be sorry. She is just a bully.
Excuse me. Jake removed her from the GC.
You can't do that.
She didn't do anything. Ron,
Jake removed them all. Right now.
But they are my friends.
Remove them or else.
No.
It's either me or them.
Sorry.
Ha ha ha.
Jakey Bear 21 has removed Better Than You 33 from the GC.
Ty for not removing us.
Who was that bully?
That was my girlfriend.
Oh,
Well, his XGF.
Anyways, who wants to play Dahood?
I'll play.
Me too.
I need to speak to Jake privately.
Okay, come on, guys.
Luna Girly 5674, Your Dude Liam 83, and Preppy Emily 905 has left the GC.
What did you want to talk about, Emma?
Oh, well, it's just I really.
Adanaum 45 has joined the GC.
Who?
What the?
Hello,
Who are you?
I'm JJ. Can I have some Robux?
Sure.
Gives him 100 Robux.
Thank Mawaha.
That was weird. What happened?
What is going on? What happened to your avatar?
Maybe that boy had something to do with it?
Let's go to the others.
They join the others.